Well, this is another boot sale find. This is a Trek Navigator T30. Navigator T30. We have some custom grips on here, as you can see. Custom, more custom. A custom belt doesn't work, and custom lightweighting here makes it lighter. It's got this custom rust cable because, you know, that helps performance. Rusty gear cable, but it all works still, so who's complaining there? We've got a free wheel on the back, Shimano Acera rear derailleur. Does it have the Acera wobble? Yes, it has the Acera wobble. Bottom bracket, on the other hand, has no play in it, which is cool. City trekking bicycles, EN European norm 147764. Okay, I'll have to look that up online, see what that actually means. I have no idea off the top of my head. We have rack mounts on here. We have mud guards, as you can see. We have vandrometires.com, Vandrome tyres on it. They're in pretty good condition, as you can clearly see. The chain, it's been oiled relatively recently. Definitely on the little worn side of things, but these old 8-speeds carry on pretty much forever. So I wouldn't necessarily trust that for work. We've got bleeding Presta valves though. Presta, not a fan. Can't put the old slime inside it. You can either run tubeless, which is fine because you don't put the tubeless in through the Presta valve generally anyway. You just pour it in the bloody tyre and away you go. But for regular commuting bikes, just straight a valve and a bottle of slime generally seems to be my best approach. Don't know, you can comment in the description. What's better, slime, tubeless, or just YOLO it and carry a spare tube and a pump with you? I run slime or a similar sort of stuff. It is slime in the bike at the moment, but I'll also use alternatives as well. Maybe you have an alternative that works better than slime. Put that down in the comments as well. Yeah, this Trek, aluminium Trek, is pretty cool. This was 35, so yeah. That concludes the video on the Trek Navigator T30.